Quora, the knowledge-sharing platform with millions of active users, offers a unique opportunity for advertisers to reach engaged audiences. With its diverse user base and insightful discussions, Quora provides a fertile ground for promoting your products or services. First, let's understand why Quora Ads could be a game-changer for your marketing strategy. High-intent audience. Users come to Quora seeking answers and solutions, making them more receptive to relevant ads. Targeting options. Quora offers precise targeting based on topics, interests, demographics, and more, ensuring your ads reach the right people. Cost-effective, with flexible bidding options and pay-per-click model, you can optimize your budget for maximum ROI. Engagement metrics. Quora's robust analytics provide valuable insights into ad performance, helping you refine your campaigns. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process of creating your first Quora ad campaign. Step 1. Account setup. Begin by creating an advertiser account on Quora. Fill in your business details and payment information to get started. Step 2. Campaign objective. Define your advertising goals, whether it's brand awareness, website traffic, or lead generation. Choose the appropriate campaign objective to align with your objectives. Step 3. Audience targeting. Identify your target audience based on their interests, behaviors, and demographics. Use Quora's targeting options to narrow down your audience for better relevance. Step 4. Ad creative. Craft compelling ad copy and visuals that resonate with your target audience. Keep your messaging clear, concise, and relevant to maximize engagement. Step 5. Budget and bidding. Set your campaign budget and bidding strategy according to your advertising goals. Monitor your bids and adjust them based on performance to optimize your budget allocation. Step 6. Ad monitoring and optimization. Monitor your ad performance regularly using Quora's analytics dashboard. Analyze key metrics such as click-through rate, conversion rate, and cost per acquisition to identify areas for improvement. By following these steps, you can create effective Quora ad campaigns that drive results for your business. Experiment with different targeting options, ad formats, and messaging to find what works best for your audience. So, are you ready to unlock the full potential of Quora ads and reach millions of engaged users? Start implementing these strategies today and watch your business soar on Quora. Ready to supercharge your marketing strategy with Quora ads provided by Indeed SEO? Don't miss out on the opportunity to reach millions of engaged users. Start advertising on Quora today and take your business to new heights.